Well, we're in week 5 and we're heading to that quiz question exercise, and there were some issues with that last time. So let me, I hope, address them right now with this announcement, and we make sure we don't have any problems with that. You're going to write your questions, then you're going to write your answers, and you're going to send them to me on Tuesday. After you've done that, you're going to only post your questions. Of course, not the answers, because your classmates are going to find those answers. Your classmates are going to go through the posts and they're going to see 3 questions for every student. They're going to choose 2 questions, maybe one from one student and one from another. But I have to know what those questions are. I can't grade your response if I have no idea what question you're answering. So, to make sure we've covered ourselves, first of all, in the subject line, you're going to put the person's name and the question. Is it question number 1 they posted, question number 2, or question number 3? And to make sure we don't have any issues, go ahead and copy that question, paste it into your reply, and then reply to it. And that way we know for sure which reply you're doing, which question you're doing. Okay? Once that's covered, it's covered. Nobody else needs to cover that. So you need to search on, which means that if you're going to wait for a little while to do these replies, you're going to need to read through and make sure all the questions that identify all the questions that haven't answered and find one that hasn't, and then find that answer. Of course, some of you right now are going, okay, then what I need to do is I need to get on and I need to very quickly go through and decide which ones I want and claim them first so nobody else claims them. Now, these are the ones I want to answer and address. And so I really recommend that as soon as those posts go up, you get on and you find the ones you want to reply to so that you get your first choice. Now, this week when I'm grading, I'm going to keep track of the questions that were replied to. And if you happen to reply to one that's already been replied to, you're not going to get credit for it, which is really going to stink. So don't do that. So please be attentive, okay? What I'm trying to do is manage a discussion as if we were in the classroom. And I don't want to hear 4 people give the same answer to the same question. I want to move on to another question and get that addressed, okay? Please make sure that you use the text as a reference. That's very important. Those citations are important. I need to know where you're finding your answers. And have fun with this. I hope we have a good discussion this week.